Hey, what's up, guys and girls? Jesse Daley here. I wanted to share a video for my friends who live in the U.S. mainland. My channel here on Daily Weather is primarily devoted to weather in the U.S. Virgin Islands and just tropical meteorology. But it's not hurricane season, and there's a lot going on the mainland, so I thought I'd share what's happening this week. There are two main regions that could see some pretty severe weather this week, the Midwest and the Northeast. As you can see on this forecast loop of the Global Forecast System, or the GFS for short, from Sunday night through Thursday, some severe storms are anticipated. And this is especially true across the Midwest around Sunday night and into Monday night and early Tuesday. Here is the Weather Prediction Center's forecast for Sunday night at 8 p.m. through Monday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with some severe storms possible, especially across portions of Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Between 8 a.m. on Monday and 8 a.m. on Tuesday, the Weather Prediction Center is expecting strong storms with the possibility of hail and even tornadoes across a pretty large swath of the Midwest. And as this strong area of low pressure moves eastward and moisture from the Gulf of Mexico is also going to be going into this area, we could see some really strong storms, including the potential for large hail, flash floods, heavy rain, and again, tornadoes. The Weather Prediction Center also said, I quote, "In addition to the threat of severe weather and flash flooding, very strong winds upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour with gusts as high as 75 miles per hour are possible." But they also mentioned that behind this system, it's going to be really dry, so that could raise the risk of wildfires across portions of the southern high plains, especially on Monday. So make sure that you're really keeping an eye on everything. By the time we get to Tuesday, there is the potential for strong storms across Tennessee and, toward the East Coast. And finally, speaking of the East Coast, this is not an April Fool's joke. The Weather Prediction Center expects a possible nor'easter to develop and bring wintry weather to portions of the East Coast between Wednesday and Friday this week. And this includes snow, freezing rain, and sleet. Pretty crazy for the beginning of April, right? Well, I encourage all of you to follow the National Weather Service for alerts, but also please hit that subscribe button here on Daily Weather, especially if you're interested in tropical meteorology. I'll have lots of videos coming out during the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season, which begins on June 1st. And I'll also be reporting on weather for my work for the Virgin Islands Source News that are they're centered in the U.S. Virgin Islands. So anyway, I hope you all stay safe and live it up, and thanks for watching.